Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you a very interesting continental recipe, one pot meal which can be made easily for dinner or lunch or for party purposes to wow your guests, that is lemon baked chicken. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you're new and press the bell icon so that you get all the notification of my further video. Now let's get into the recipe and make lemon baked chicken. For that, first I am going to cut up some vegetables. Here I have taken one red bell pepper, which is very healthy. It has antioxidants and very good for kidney patients. So I am using one whole red bell pepper and cutting them in two big chunks or dice them like this. It's a very interesting and very easy to make recipe. All you need to do is cut up some or dice up some vegetables. That's it, and mix them. Next goes yellow bell pepper. I'm using half of yellow bell pepper or yellow capsicum. Cut them in the same manner or same sizes as the red one. Next goes green capsicum or green bell pepper, one of it. And next it's lemon baked chicken, so 4 lemons I'm going to use and 3 of them I'm going to dice like this. So in lemon baked chicken we're going to use chunks of lemons, and also we're going to use some lemon juice as well. Cut them like this, small pieces. You can keep big chunks if you want. I'm going to use the smaller one. Now here I have taken 600 grams of chicken. I'm using chicken with bone and big size pieces, basically leg pieces. To that I'm going to marinate them with some veggies. First goes in 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, which I have kept them in whole form. Next goes the veggies I have cut, that is red, green, yellow bell peppers. Then goes 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Next, salt according to taste. Then goes some extra virgin olive oil for flavoring. Make sure you use extra virgin olive oil for this recipe, 1 tablespoon. There it goes. And I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of Tabasco sauce for the hotness. You can balance the spiciness according to your taste. You can use more Tabasco sauce or you can use lesser one if you are making for kids. Next goes juice of 1 lemon. Then goes some black pepper, 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper for seasoning. And then I'm going to add the diced lemon, and all we need to do is just mix them up and marinate the chicken. So isn't it easy to make with very simple ingredients? No fancy herbs, no spices. It's very lightweight, yet for the lemon juices and the lemon pieces will make it very fragrant. So I'm going to marinate it and keep it in normal temperature for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to cut up some potatoes. Here I have taken 3 medium sized potatoes which I have peeled and keep it into the water so that they don't get brown. And I'm going to cut them lengthwise in thick slices like this. You don't have to be very precise. It's just the base of the chicken. On this potato base we're going to place the chicken. So that's why I told you it's a full meal, because it's got everything: carbohydrate from the potatoes, protein from the chicken, minerals from the veggies and also fat from the extra virgin olive oil. So it's a full 1 pot meal. So they are done. Next, here I have taken a cake pan or cake tin and I'm going to grease it with some extra virgin olive oil. Because my oven is small, microwave, so I'm going to bake it in convection mode. So that's why I'm using this cake tin. But if you have OTG, you can use the tray you have. Now I'm going to place the potatoes at the base like this. That's it. Now I'm going to drizzle up some more extra virgin olive oil and smear them over it so that they don't get burned. Potatoes don't get burned. Next, sprinkle up some salt for seasoning and I'm going to bake it into the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And while it's here, it's done. After 10 minutes it will look like this. So now I'm going to add the veggies. First, a base of capsicum. Next, on the base of it, I'm going to add or put the chicken pieces over it. Next, at the top, we're going to add the rest of the vegetables. And then smear with the marinade. Now it's done. Now I'm going to put it into the oven for 1 hour at 160 degrees Celsius and for 30 minutes on each side. After 30 minutes I'm going to turn it. So after 1 hour it's done. As I told you, in the middle, after 30 minutes I have turned them over so that they are cooked through from all the sides, and you can see they are done. I'm going to serve them hot on a plate like this, and the aroma and the texture of the chicken, the juiciness of the chicken is still intact, and the aroma is lovely because of the lemon. And it's a full meal. Serve it with some garlic bread or normal dinner rolls, and your lunch or dinner, especially dinner, for dinner you can make it. It's sorted. Doesn't it look so delicious? And trust me, it's very healthy. Do make the recipe and let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.